So now we move to the Aloe Rose Jojoba hair serum for detangling the hair. For those who have curly or wavy hair and their hair detangles a lot, they can make and use this hair serum on their hair ends. So to make this, we need aloe vera. Now aloe vera is prevalent in two forms. One is the aloe vera gel. The other is aloe vera hydrosol. This is aloe vera distillate, and it is just like Rosewater. It is of that consistency. And if you want a serum which you can just spray on your hair and massage it in, then you use aloe vera hydrosol. If you want a gel-like serum which you can apply and massage on your scalp and hair, then you use aloe vera gel. So depending on the final consistency which you need, accordingly you decide between aloe vera gel and hydrosol. So we'll now make it with the gel to give it a gel-like consistency. So take aloe vera gel, add rose water to it, add jojoba oil to it, 10 ml, which is roughly a tablespoon, and then you mix these ingredients well. You can also use a hand blender if the quantity is much, otherwise you can do it with a spoon. In case you find this thick and you want to lighten the consistency, you can add more rose water to it or some aloe vera hydrosol to it. I'm going to add a little bit of aloe vera hydrosol to it. So now this is a gel only, but it is not very thick, and can be easily be applied, and it spreads very nicely on the hair. This is a leave-on conditioner. Post your hair wash, you can apply it on wet or dry hair, and that's it. It retains the natural moisture of the hair and doesn't let your hair go dry. This is how it looks like finally. This is the consistency. It's the right consistency. So like I mentioned, you can always make it thinner if you so desire.